Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine Jones and I will be discussing instructional leadership. So what is instructional leadership? I believe instructional leadership promotes growth in student learning and makes instruction a top priority. We all know the reason why we are here, and we are here to provide high quality success instruction to our students. I also believe that instructional leadership promotes collaboration. You have to be willing to work together. You have to be able to collaborate with everyone. Some teacher might have a way of reaching another student, and you have to be willing to collaborate so that you can see how to meet the needs of all the students. I also believe it encourages creativity. You have to be willing to try new things. You have to make your learning or your instruction engaging and meaningful so students can know that learning can be done any type of way, especially being that we have a lot of new technology that is out. You should be willing and open to try new things so that students can see that you are even implementing different ways of creativity within the classroom, because the students see all of that. And lastly, you have to have high expectations. As a leader, I have high expectations, so you should have high expectations not only for yourself, but for your students and the other teachers in this building as well. Lastly, 3 ways I know that I am prepared to function as an instructional leader. I value the importance of teamwork. I know that you cannot run any school or organization by yourself. So you have to be willing to work as a team. You have to be willing to value what others say, and you have to respectfully respond to them so that everyone can be on the same page. You can agree to disagree, but you still have to be able to work together as a team. Teamwork is very important, and the only way we're going to meet the needs of students is working together as a team. Setting clear goals and expectations is very important because it allows everyone to be on the same page. I know that you have to have goals in order to accomplish certain things, so you have to make sure you establish those goals so that you can effectively reach that goal. And lastly, I believe in promoting quality instruction, and I know that requires a lot of work. I know in education you have to be open to learning new information, so you have to be willing to attend different professional developments so that you can provide that quality instruction. Learning doesn't stop, even as an educator. You have to be willing to attend different professional developments so that you can stay afloat and you can know the latest trends that are going on. So thank you.